Hello viewers, welcome to Elimu TV, where you watch and learn. I'm your tutor, Alex Musawa, and I'll be taking you through Chemistry Form 2, lesson number 39. Our topic is Effect of Electric Current on Substances. The objectives of this lesson are to identify what happens when an electric current flows through solid molten substances and aqueous solutions. Number 2, to state the applications of electrolysis. Test for conductivity. How do we test for conductivity? Let's say we place a substance X. Let's say we place substance X there. Let's say we place a paper. The paper is not going to conduct electricity. And let's say we place a substance like iron or aluminium. It's going to conduct electricity. An electric current is a flow of electrons and is a form of energy. We are going to investigate the effect of an electric current on some substances. Solids are good conductors of electricity, but not all solids are good conductors of electricity. Molten substance. What is a molten substance? Let's say two solid conductors that are called electrodes are arranged in that form. The electrode connected to the positive terminal of the battery is called the anode, and the electrode connected to the negative terminal is called the cathode. The graphite rods are used, or carbon rods. So what happens? Let's say lithium bromide. We are going to pass electricity. We are going to pass electric through molten lithium bromide. What happens? Lithium bromide does not conduct electric current in solid state. However, it conducts electric current when it is melted. The bulb light from the diagram. Similarly, lithium iodide does not conduct electricity in solid state, but does so when it is melted. Lithium bromide and lithium iodide are ionic compounds. In the solid state, the ions are held firmly by strong forces and they cannot move. Melting them is going to weaken the forces, enabling the ions to move. Thereby, they're going to conduct electricity. Metals are good conductors of electricity both in solid and in molten state. Next, we're going to look at electrical conductivity of substances in aqueous state. An aqueous state is a substance that is in solution form, and this time we're going to look at sodium chloride. Let's say we pass electricity through a solution of sodium chloride. Sodium chloride, copper 2 chloride, and copper 2 sulfate do not conduct electricity in solid state, but when dissolved in water, they conduct electricity. Why? Because the movement of ion in the solution is free. The ions dissociate in the water and they are mobile. Therefore, they are able to conduct electricity. When the circuit is completed, the positive ions in the solution move towards the negative electrode, cathode. In this case, the positive ions are sodium ions, while the negative ions move towards the positive electrode, the anode, and these are chloride ions. That is electrolysis of molten lithium bromide. As you can see, there is a brown vapor produced at the anode, and we are going to have lead formed at the cathode. We are going to see a gray shiny metal formed at the cathode. And what is an electrolyte? An electrolyte is a substance which, when melted or dissolved in water, conducts an electric current and gets decomposed by a current. What are some of the applications of electrolysis? Electrolysis is used in electroplating. Electroplating involves the electrolytic coating of an object with a thin layer of metal. Let's say we want to coat a spoon with silver. We place on the anode silver, and on the cathode we're going to place our spoon there. What happens is that the metal is going to be reduced at the cathodes, leading to its deposition on the surface of the object that we want to electroplate. The equation at the anode is silver ions And at the cathode, we're going to have silver ions gaining an electron to form silver. And at the anode, the silver is losing an electron to form silver ion plus an electron there. Another application of electrolysis is refining of metals. Metals are also refined. Another application is extraction of metals. Some metals are extracted by using electrolysis method, like sodium is extracted by passing electricity through sodium chloride. And that is the end of our lesson. Activity number 1. Define the following terms: a conductor, an electrode, an electrolyte, and electrolysis. Our reference is KLB Book 2, 5th edition, 2019. For more information, contact us on our phone number, YouTube, Elimu TV, Facebook, Elimu TV, Twitter @ElimuTV_KE. Thank you for watching Elimu TV. Stay tuned.